Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to remove saved username and password in Google Chrome. So for this you have to go to the start button, then you have to search for the Google Chrome, and after that if you click on it you will see this page. Then you have to click on the three dot option from here, then you have to click on the settings option from here. After that you have to choose the autofill and passwords from the left hand side. You have to just click on it, then you have to choose the Google Password Manager from here. Here you will get all the passwords that you are currently using here. So for example, I would like to remove the username and password of Discord, so I am searching for the Discord option from here. And when you are in the Discord option, you have to click on the discord.com. And if your computer is locked in, or if your computer have screen lock, then you have to give that password here. So I am giving my password from here, and after that you will see this page again, and here you will get the password, and you have to simply delete it from here. For example, I will simply click on delete, and now it will not autofill your password, or your saved username and password will simply get removed. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.